Oh, this is for CSE 341, week 8. And we'll start by log in. And I've got it where the it's automatically put in. And if the username and password is incorrect, it'd say username or password is incorrect. Please try again. And then we'll do the auth 0. And I got it connecting through GitHub. So I sign into my GitHub. And then it'll send me the token. And there's the token there. And then we'll go to the API docs. And we'll go through the users, even though, and the films work just as well. But we'll do the users because it's got more things with it, like username, password, email. It's got to be validated. And you can see all the users' informations. And then we'll create a new user. And here's the validation side of it, where we need a certain password needs to be at least 7 characters, and email format is invalid, so we'll come back up here, add the email to be at j.j, and add some to the password, execute that, and then I added it to the users, and we'll come execute it, and then get the ID for it. And then we'll go back, come down here, and we can update the user. And change the password to be whatever it is. And the email, instead of at j.j, we'll do at r.r. And execute it. And it should come up here and see that it's changed. So execute that. And change it to r.r from j.j. And we can come and delete the user. Try it out. Executes. And it says delete count 1, so that makes it true. And the same works for the films. And then we can log out. And if we say log out, and it says logged out successfully. Thank you.